let's do an unboxing. I just ordered some things for my kitchen and I wanted to unbox them with you guys. Let's see if it's giving what I need it to give. I have a lot of old things in my kitchen, so like, you know, things that I got from my mom's house. I have her biscuit bowl, I have her roasting pan. I have a bunch of stuff from her kitchen, but I also have things from my kitchen that are outdated that I've had for a while. So I wanted to update a few things. They're batter bowls and measuring cups. Look how beautiful this is, y'all. Oh my God, I love this style. I love this black and white, these black and white dots. So I don't have to just measure stuff. I can mix in them. Rip me out the package. Rip me out the, what is it? Rip me out the, something I've been acting brand new. Look how cute. This is the quarter cup. This is the third cup. This is adorable. I love that they're not the exact same print. The half cup. How cute. And this is 1 cup. I love this. This is so cute. I feel like it's Christmas. This one has up to 10 cups, which I needed because the biggest measuring cup I have, I think, goes up to 4. You can also mix in it, which I like. It's beautiful. Okay. All right, let's see what's next. The thing I got was this oven to table baker. It's by Drew Barrymore. I love her. I love her personality. This is my first piece from 9x13 covered stoneware baker. It's oven safe up to 450 degrees. And it's also dishwasher and microwave safe. So I love the aesthetics of this. Like I have, you know, just regular baking dishes. I don't have one that has a cover to it. I do, but it's like a roasting pan, like an old school roasting pan. It's heavy. It comes nicely packaged so it doesn't get broken. Look at that, and it matches my kitchen. It's like a nice muted gray, and my kitchen is white gray. Look how beautiful this is. I love the simplistic details. It's very simple, but the cover does it for me. Look at that. The cover is so pretty. It's very aesthetically pleasing. Like, you know, I'm gonna bake up some turkey wings and put in this beautiful bakeware. And then you can cover it if you need to reheat it. It's perfect. Okay, I'm loving these. Let me show you what I also have. I know I'm old school Southern. This was my mama's black speckled roasting pan. Baby, you know anything that came out this pan is gonna be fire, okay? So she would bake her turkey wings in here. She would make a roast in here, anything. So I have this roasting pan and I use this all the time, but this is like old school aesthetics. You at your grandma's house, you know your food is gonna be fire. Coming out of this pan. This was more 2025 aesthetically pleasing pan. You can pick your vibe. They still sell these black speckled roasters. Like I said, this one was my mom's. Baby, it's seen some really good Southern meals, this roasting pan. So I love it and I keep it obviously because it belonged to my late mother. You're cooking for multiple people, or you want to cook something where you want to present the dish on the table. This is perfect because it's covered, so you can put it on the table, and then once people are ready to eat, you can uncover it, and then your food is, you know, in this dish. So I love it, and I did not think it was going to be like this muted gray. It's between a gray and a taupe, but for me, it's perfect for my kitchen. Thanks for watching my unboxing video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Both of these items were a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love them. I cannot wait to show you guys what I cook up in this baking dish. Y'all already know it's gonna be spilling the sweet tea approved.